There you go. Alright, good afternoon, everyone. Today is Thursday, the 10th day of July 2014. Let me go over the results. We'll start right out with that, okay? The results. Soybeans, we have minus 2 ticks today. The Russell, we had plus 15. Natural gas, plus 20. Crude, minus 5. Gold, plus 4. Alright, on the month, the 7 trading days now, we are up $2,657.50. If you apply an $8 commission to every trade we've taken, you would be up $1,753.50 so far this month. If you apply a $5 commission to every trade we've taken, you would be up $2,092.50 this month. This morning it took us 59 minutes and 13 trades to get to our goal for the day, which, our goal is $100 a contract. I should put that in here, shouldn't I? When our daily goal of $100 per contract is reached. So we were at 105 when we closed that trade. Okay. And that was right before I took the natural gas trade, which, the natural gas trade by itself was twice our goal. But anyway, we took 16 trades this morning. Total trades taken in the live trading room, 16. Okay. That's it. That's where we stand on the month. 2657.50, 7 trading days. All right. So we're almost at $400 a day average. Almost. I'm going to minimize that. And now let me show you the next thing, which is how to take the free trial. What we have over here, guys, the seminar. We're doing a seminar in Chicago Saturday, 1 o'clock at the W Hotel in City Center. It's at 172 West Adams Street. We'll be doing it there. Just a reminder for everyone, that is the address. All right. I'll be there a couple hours. Well, I'll be there a day early. Let's see. To take the free trial, well, almost a day early. But to take the free trial, what you need to do is just go to CFRN.net, and in the right-hand column there's a spot to put your name and your email address. If you put that in there, the name and email address, and click register for a free trial, you'll be sent a confirmation link. Once that confirmation link is clicked, then we'll know that you have registered for the free trial. Then we'll send you off all the information you need to get into the live trading room, to download the charting platform, to do all that stuff. To install the indicators, to set up your workspaces, all that stuff. There will also be an email that's sent to you that says, watch this video, please watch this video in it. And in there, it goes through what we do in the live trading room. Okay? It goes through the trades that we take and all that. So that way, if you watch that video, you'll be a little better up to speed, a little more up to speed with what we do. Okay? I'm actually going to put another video in there so you have multiple videos to look at. All right? That is what happens when you click that button. So just put in your name, your email address, and there you go. All right? No credit card required. Now, let's start with the trades. Well, I always start with crude. We'll start with crude today, though we didn't trade it very much today. All right? We had just a couple of trades on crude. Our first trade was an up close above the trend line right here. We locked in 3 ticks profit on that, and we're taking out at 3 ticks. The next trade was a bounce off the BBC right here, and that stopped us out for minus 8 ticks. Okay? Minus 8 ticks on that one. So we ended the day right there at minus 5 ticks. Plus 3 here, minus 8 here, equals minus 5. That's where we ended the day on crude. There really wasn't that much opportunity today on crude. Since during the break there was one spot right in here we could have gotten long for a little bit more. Okay? That was right in there during the break. That's it. That's what we had. Okay? Let's see. The next market that I'm going to do will be the Russell. We traded the Russell quite a bit today. More than half of our trades, I think, were on the Russell today. All right. Let's see. And we missed some right in here. There was a long trade right here that we ended up missing. And once it broke up above this level right here, it started to have a nice run. We got long again right here, little momentum trade. It ended up giving us a break even. So we got a break even there, a break even over here. We missed that move down and that move down. Big trades right there that we missed. I'm sorry that we missed those, but we must have been making money somewhere else, hopefully. Or I was helping someone. The up close right here we missed. That would have probably been a break-even trade for me. We finally got into one right here where we got some profit on it. It looks like we got 7 ticks profit on that trade right there. Okay. Then, the markets were moving around quite a bit here, but there was, in here, the ES was in a zone. There was a period where we didn't trade because the ES was in a zone. Once it finally got out of the zone, we could start taking some trades. And we got another break even there. This one, we got a little bit of profit, a couple ticks on that one. This one over here, I think we got 5 ticks profit on that, putting us at plus 14. Okay, nothing right there. And right in here, we got, I don't know, is that our final trade? It looks like a break even on that one. And yeah, this was our final trade. We got 1 tick profit on this one right here. That put us at plus 15 on the morning. Okay, plus 15 on the morning. We were looking for it to get down below that box. It did. There was a momentum trade right in here. Actually, it might have been the bar before that. If I draw the trend line up the bottoms. No, it was right there. Little momentum trade right there for about 6 or 8 ticks. And that was it. Now it's just got a long trade right here from 1156 something. Hang on. I'll tell you exactly where. The long trade was from right there, 1156.7, right in there. Okay, it's already gone from 56.7, it went up to 57.2, so 5 ticks profit. Stop would have gone to break even, maybe lock in a little profit. It's now getting a deeper pullback, so you would have to draw a trend line. Okay, see the cycle is blue, so you need the trend line. I'm sorry, the cycle is red, so you need the trend line. Okay, so you need an up close above the trend line right here. We have some nice bullish divergence down here. So 56.3 is the low, 56.7 would be the high. All right, now 56.2.1 is the low, 56.5 would be the high. That's not going to be high enough. It'd have to be on the next bar. Okay, I'm going to slide that off, and we'll move on to the next market. So far we've done crude and the Russell. Let's do gold. Not a lot of action on gold today either. Just a couple of trades, each one for a couple of ticks. Looks like we got short on the down close below the trend line right there, and again short on the down close below the trend line right there. Okay, a couple of ticks profit on each one, and that was it. I don't feel like we missed anything here on gold this morning. You see the divergence is the wrong way right here. This is a cycle reset right here. We're trading below the BBC. We have bullish divergence. That is a cycle reset. What typically happens when you have a cycle reset is you'll get a bigger move down, okay, in the direction opposite the divergence, and then you'll start trading in that direction again. But anyway, there were no trades at all in here that we could have taken. Okay, just these two that we took. Got a couple of ticks profit on each one of those, and that was it. Gold. Next one we'll go to will be soybeans. All right. Oops. On the soybeans, our first trade was on the soybeans, and you can't see it. The other arrow is underneath there. But the first trade that we took was on the soybeans. All right. Well, I don't know if it was the very first trade. It was, actually. It was on the soybeans, and it stopped us out for minus 8 ticks. We got into the beans again right here. Same direction. We got 6 ticks profit, putting us at minus 2 ticks. Right at the end of the morning session, there was a nice trade right here that we ended up missing, but it was followed up by this one that we did get into, and we ended up getting a break even on that one. Okay, we took a break even on that trade. Now there's something that I wanted to point out. Yeah, I'll save it for the seminar. All right, that was it on the soybeans, guys. That was it on the soybeans. All right, so we've done crude, gold, the Russell, and soybeans. Now let's just do natural gas. On the natural gas, we only took one trade here this morning. It was on the natural gas inventory numbers. We got short in here. I believe it was 154, and took profit over here at 134. Right, 26 profit on that trade. And I think that's all we did on natural gas. I mean, we identified other trades that were happening in here. There was one there, one there. And I was kind of watching it. I was half watching it, half not watching it. But that was pretty much it. Okay? That was it on the natural gas. Now, I wanted to bring the ES over so you can take a look at that. What time is it? 12:22. Oh, man, this is a fast one. All right. On the ES, the only trade that we saw on the ES was, I was looking for an up close above this trend line, and this was a down close. Then we would have needed to move the trend line like that. So the up close would have been right in there. I wasn't really looking at the ES today. I just looked at it once, but that's what it kind of looked like. Okay, that's it. That's all we had. All right. Let's see. All right. So now, you've all seen that. What I want to do now is show you guys how to take the free trial again, one more time. If you haven't taken the free trial, then this is what you need to do. All right, you need to put your name and email address in here, click register for a free trial. Once you register for a free trial, you will be sent a confirmation link. You need to click on that confirmation link, and once you click on the confirmation link, then once you click on the confirmation link, then we will know that you're registered for the free trial. We will know that you're registered for the free trial, and then you'll be sent all the information you need to get 5 luxurious days in the live trading room. Okay? And download the charting platform and the indicators, and even watch some videos about the trade setups. All right? You'll be sent a whole bunch of stuff. There's videos in there. Lots of videos. There's probably 8 or 9 different videos that you could watch in there. There's videos about the individual indicators, and there's videos about the trade setups. So it'd be good if you watch the stuff about the trade setups. You know, the first day, don't focus so much on getting the indicators all set up if you don't want. But, you know, the trade setups are important because, you know, it can be overwhelming watching me just jump around from market to market. All right, the results, again, one last time. $2,657.50 per contract in 7 trading days so far for the month of July. Okay, $26.57.5 for the 7 trading days of July. You know, we're on pretty good pace to get over $6,000 anyway. So hopefully we'll be able to do that. You know, we're 1/3 of the way in and at $2,600. So, you know, our best month of the year was right here at $7,555. And I don't know where we stood on 3 days in, well, 7 days in. Looks like we were up pretty good there. If you just look at the Russell by itself, 200, 300, 750, 760, 8, 940 on the Russell itself in those first few days. Soybean's looking pretty good. Crude's looking good. Yeah, everything was looking pretty good. So I'm sure it was pretty similar to that after 7 trading days. All right. Couple more reminders. There's a partners meeting tonight for all the partners. Partners meeting is tonight at 9 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, if you have any questions, please email them in. I know there's already been some questions emailed in, but if you have any questions, please email them in. We want to get through the questions and, you know, get through the partners meeting. You know, they don't have to be 3 hours. They don't have to be 2 hours. We just want to answer all the questions. Make sure at the end of the meeting, everybody's question is answered, and then we can all go about doing what we got to do. All right. That's that. If you're on the free trial and you don't know what it takes to become a partner, and you want to know what it takes to become a partner, then send us a quick email at support@cfrn.net, support@cfrn.net, and just say partner info, please, and we'll send it off to you. All right. That's it. That's all I got. And so I guess we can head back out to Phoenix, Arizona.